Welcome to Nidhi Vidya Bhavan, the best English medium school of Bharuch, a school known for imparting quality of education. The journey starts in year 1991 and continuing to march with reshouting success and excellent result of SSC and HSC. Year after year, our commitment to nurture development of students like science fair, good infrastructure like physics lab, bio lab, chemistry lab and computer lab. Students take part in sport activities, cultural activities, activity-based learning, personal counseling with parents, collaboration with reputed academic for inspiring career of students and providing NEET IIT JEE. Our students achieve various medals in Khel Mahakumbh and dance competition. Also, we celebrate various functions in our school. We have dedicated teachers team. Admissions are open nursery to 12th standard Gujarat State Board Bharuch.